Welcome to day 9 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will practice Sun Salutation B or Surya Namaskara B, another popular yoga sequence that warms up, strengthens and stretches the whole body. We will begin in downward facing dog. Position your hands around shoulder width apart and feet around hip distance apart. Press down through your hands and lift your hips high for inverted V shape. Begin to walk your dog, stretching and bending your legs one by one, warming up the back of the legs. And then come to stillness for a moment. Knees can stay bent here, heels can stay lifted. Think of pressing your belly and chest a bit more back towards your thighs, keeping your spine long. Take one more inhale here. And with exhale, walk your feet forward to the front of your mat. Bend your knees a lot, bringing the belly in contact with the thighs. Hug the opposite elbows and gently sway side to side, back and forward. Relaxing your upper body, releasing your lower back. Release your hands now, and with next inhale slowly roll up to standing. Take your time here, your head comes last. And as you come up to standing, bring your feet together. Big toes touching, a little bit space between your heels. Lift up your toes, press your heel and the corners of the feet into the ground, and then lower down your toes to the mat. Lengthen through the crown of your head, standing up nice and tall. Breathing deeply in and out through the nose. Strong and stable mountain pose. On your next inhale, bend your knees. Look down if you can see your toes so that your knees don't come too far forward and the weight is more into the heels. Lift your arms up. The spine stays neutral, so avoid overarching your lower back. Think of drawing your navel in towards your spine. Keep reaching up through your fingertips, stretching through the sides of your body. One more inhale here. Exhale, bend forward, fingertips to the ground, and then straighten your legs as much as you can. Coming into standing forward bend. Upper body is relaxed. Knees stay bent as much as needed. Inhale, come into half forward bend, flat back, hands below or above the knees. Big inhale here. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step back into plank, lower down your knees and your whole body to the ground. Inhale to lift your chest for small cobra. Pressing slightly through your hands. Exhale, tuck your toes in, sending your hips back and up for downward facing dog. Look between your hands and step your right foot forward a bit closer to your right thumb. Use your hand if the foot doesn't step all the way through. Press through your feet. Inhale to come up into high lunge. Reach your arms in line with the ears. Make sure the hips are facing forward to the front of the mat. Take one more inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step your right foot back and lower down. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Same on the other side. Step your left foot forward. Press down through your feet to come up into high lunge. Stay here for an extra breath, feeling the stretch on the front of the right leg. Trying to sink a little deeper as you exhale. One more big inhale. Exhale, hands down, lower your body down. Inhale, Cobra, try to come up higher each time, lifting your chest. Exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Breathe deeply in and out through your nose. Trying to straighten your legs a bit more each time, but remember the spine stays long as well. Look forward, step or walk your feet forward to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, bend your knees a little more, reach your arms up for chair pose. Exhale, straighten your legs, releasing your arms, mountain pose. Inhale, bend the knees, reach your arms, chair pose. Exhale, full forward bend, fingertips to the ground, knees can stay bent. Inhale, halfway up, half forward bend. Exhale, hands to the ground, lower down. Press down through your feet and hands. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Step your right foot forward and place your left foot a little closer to lower down the left heel. Inhale, come up for Warrior One. The hips are still facing the front of the mat. Place your feet as wide as you need to feel stable here. Try to bend your front knee so that it's right above the ankle. One more breath in Warrior One. And exhale to lower down to the mat. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, Downward Facing Dog. Step your left foot forward. Lower down your right heel. Inhale, come up for Warrior One. Exhale, try to bend the front knee a little deeper. Rotating your hips forward to the front of the mat. Big inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Stay here for a few breaths. Bend your knees, step or walk forward. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose. One more round. Inhale for chair pose. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower down, with knees lifted or on the mat, your choice. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale to step your right foot forward. Back heel can stay up or down. Reach up for high lunge or warrior one, your choice. Exhale, hands to the mat, lower down. Inhale, big cobra, lift your chest as high as you can. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, right heel lifted or on the mat. Come up for high lunge or warrior one. Exhale, back to the floor, lowering down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, last downward facing dog. Take a big inhale through the nose here and let it out through your mouth. Inhale, step forward into half forward bend. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, mountain pose. Good job! Now just lay down on your back so we finish up in some more relaxing poses. Straighten your left leg, bringing your right knee closer to the chest. And then bring your right knee to the left side for a gentle spinal twist. Slowly bring the knee back to center and switch side. Left knee to the chest and then bring it over to the right. Looking into the opposite direction or closing your eyes. Inhale, bring your knee back to center. Straighten your arms and legs for a moment in shavasana. Allowing your body to fully relax here. And then when you are ready to come up, just roll over to the side. Press through your hands to come up to seated. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.